Is it the foundation, a baby cream, or a tinted moisturizer? Let's find out in this video. Now let's talk about which shade is for you. Hey beauties, welcome back to YouTube channel DC Good Life. I am Deepa Chauhan Rana, professional makeup artist, educator and a content creator. And today we are diving into a product that promises no makeup look with a skincare glow. I'm talking about Sis Beauty Select Super Radiant Tint. Is it the foundation, a baby cream, or a tinted moisturizer? Let's find out in this video. So starting with the packaging, now let's talk about the packaging first. The outer packaging is a cardboard packaging where you have a Sis Beauty branding mention, name of the product mention, and the claims mentioned by the brand. So that was all about the outer packaging, and now moving to the inner packaging. The inner packaging consists of a frosted bottle where you have a Swiss Beauty branding mention, also ingredient list, and everything is mentioned at the back of the bottle, and it comes with the pump as you can see in the video. And when you turn downside, you can see manufacturing date, expiry date, shade name, and everything mentioned on the product. So that was all about the outside packaging and the inner package. And now let's quickly move on to the swatches of this tip. And now let's move on to the demo part of this video. So I have mixed shade 2 and 3 to get my perfect match, and I'm applying with flat foundation brush. Look at this guys, this is the coverage you can see. And by now you must be knowing the shade I'm wearing currently and how it's looking on my skin. Now let's talk about which shade is for you. Now if you are someone who's very fair, then the shade number 1 is for you. If I talk about the shade number 2, this is best suitable for light to light medium skin tone. And if I talk about the shade number 3, this is best suitable for the medium to medium slightly deep skin tone. And for the shade number 4, it's suitable for deep skin tones. Moving on to the further video, now let's move on to the pros of this product. Now this product comes in very affordable price, basically it's under 500. So if you're on a budget and looking for a great skin tint which give you dewy radiant finish, when in that case this is a product for you as it gives you dewy radiant finish. This tint is a lightweight and has a very comfortable formula you can wear easily in your day-to-day life. Also guys, it has easy blendability, so you can easily blend with your fingers, with your brushes or with your beauty blender. Talking about the con for this product, I have only 2 cons. The number 1 is the shade range. I mean, Sis Beauty being an Indian brand, this is not at all acceptable because you being an Indian brand just launching the shades in 4 range, it's very bad to be honest. And if I talk about the second con, is actually a con for some people but not a con for everyone. I hope you get my point. Because this skin tint is not suitable for oily and acne prone skin, and if you are someone who is a dry skin family or a normal to dry skin person, you will be definitely going to love this product. Trust me on that. So coming to the overall final product review, yes, this product is definitely worth buying. I would highly recommend to all those people who are from normal to dry skin category because it has amazing blendability, lightweighted formula, day-to-day wear, and plus it doesn't harm your pocket too. Also do let me know in the comment section, have you tried this skin tint and what are your thoughts on this skin tint? So guys, that was all about the Swatches review and everything about this product. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Other than that, have a wonderful day or an evening whenever you're watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.